Agora não tem, acabou. Lá. Meu Deus. Vem cá.
Tudo embora. Já foi a ponte.
Foi passar por mim.
In 2024, a dashcam footage in Taiwan captured a massive rockfall crashing onto a car as an earthquake shook the ground. A powerful hailstorm batters the backyard, with ice pelting everything in sight and shaking the surroundings. A massive iceberg splits in half right next to climbers, sending huge waves crashing around them in a heart-stopping moment.
Súbanos!
A massive glacier cracks and collapses, sending enormous chunks of ice crashing into the water below. A terrifying tornado tears through Andover, ripping through the town and destroying everything in its path. Before we move on to the next clip, if you're also fascinated by how nature can surprise us at any moment, subscribe and join this curious community. Mount Etna erupts, forcing some tourists to flee through ash and rocks, while others watch safely from below. A powerful gust of wind tears through the area, snapping a massive tree in half with a deafening crash.
Fucking Christ!
این الان چندین سال همینجوریه نگاه کنید یعنی واقعا آقایونی که اومدید ساری محله آتشیماله تکنیک با خودتون نیارید سیم داغ داغ.
A tarantula slowly sheds its old exoskeleton in a mesmerizing time-lapse, revealing its new, glistening body beneath. A massive flood surges forward, completely obliterating a bridge in a terrifying display of nature's unstoppable power.
Oh my God, they all falling!
People rush to help as water bursts from a hole like a powerful geyser, spraying everywhere in a wild, chaotic display. A boat glides across the ice, creating a mesmerizing scene as the frozen surface slowly cracks and splits apart. Inside the cave, cavers drop a massive rock, and it takes forever to hit the bottom, echoing through the deep darkness.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Jeez!
At the beach, shells slowly emerge from the sand, creating a mesmerizing natural display. Every year, a mountain in Japan is set ablaze in a traditional ritual, creating a fiery spectacle against the night sky. A severe hail and rainstorm hit the town of Pindo, causing chaos and heavy damage. As a man records a video denouncing poor maintenance, the RC bridge suddenly collapses right before his eyes. A group of birds balances effortlessly on one leg, perfectly still, as if frozen in time. A crocodile lunges at a kudu, but with lightning-fast reflexes, the antelope narrowly escapes unharmed. A herd of wild boars rushes across the road, charging from one side to the other in a blur of movement. This is a pangolin, a unique creature covered in scales. Fun fact, it can curl into a tight ball to protect itself from predators. The ground slowly bubbles and rises, as if something mysterious is emerging from beneath the surface. A mesmerizing time-lapse shows a giant ice disk slowly spinning in the Przemysl River. Take a look at this stunning sunset, painting the sky with brilliant colors over the horizon. The corn snake coils tightly, ready to defend itself with every careful movement. A dark, eerie cloud hangs over Spring Hill, Tennessee, casting a shadow over the town and hinting at a coming storm. A massive fire sweeps through the farm, spreading quickly and fiercely, consuming everything in its path as smoke rises into the sky. Caught on CCTV, heavy rains bring down a wall, sending floodwaters rushing through the street. At first, just a few pieces break away. Then, in seconds, the entire house collapses and slides into the river below. A huge snake wraps itself around a tree, moving slowly and powerfully like it owns the jungle. A sunny day at Barcelona Beach quickly changes as dark clouds move in, the wind picks up, and a powerful storm begins to form over the sea.